Well, it's a sad day today, folks, and a happy day. It's a sad day because I'm saying cheerio to my car. It's the last day driving the car today. Well, I've got about half an hour left. This is the car that got me through lockdown, and it's had so many little adventures, and it's been a nice, reliable car. But part of the contract says you've got to move on and get the next one. So, picking up my new car today. But it's always sad when you say goodbye to a car. I know it's only a car, but if you just think of all the little adventures or big adventures you've had, and I say, especially this is my lockdown car. So, thank you, car, for keeping me safe. And hopefully your next owners will take good care of you too. And we'll maybe see you on the road. So, quick clip to me in my new car. I'm in the new car, folks. I am in the new car. So it's got a lot of, well, it's much the same. The only thing that's a wee bit different is there's no handbrake. It's like a button thing you press, so I need to get used to that. The dashboard's much the same. The radio's a wee bit different. So yeah, it's just about getting used to it, folks. It's all kind of a lot more digital than the last one, which I'm not a huge fan of digital cars. I prefer the manual things. But yeah, it seems fine. So I'm just going to practice driving it today. So it's just much the same. It's just getting used to all the controls and things. So yeah, we'll go for a little run in the new car. Taking the car on its first drive up here to Montrose, and it went fine. So just having a wee walk along the coast as far as Bampsey's Grave, then we'll turn back. But it's a gorgeous day up here. Beautiful. It was kind of dull and a bit wet in Arbroath, but up here it's a beautiful day, folks. Crystal clear skies at the moment. Nice seas, bit of sun. Perfect for a wee walk. So there it is, folks, the Bampsey's Grave, Bampsey or Bams, and the spud stone is still there. It's still there. Nobody's stolen it. I can feel the rain. I've got about a 20-minute walk to get back to the car. Hopefully it's just a little shower. That's today's little walk to the grave of Bamsey. So I couldn't resist a little stop at Lunan Bay on the way home, folks. Just check out the dunes. Actually, the moon's out up there. Right, we'll climb the dunes. We'll go and see the beach first. Look at this, folks. It's glorious. There's like 2 people here on the beach today. On a glorious day like today. Bit of winter sun. Absolutely beautiful. It's like being in the Bahamas. And there's the big sand dune of death at that one. We'll go and try and climb up that just shortly. There's the railway bridge. So I'm going to walk to the top of the beach and see there's a small waterfall which is quite hard to get to because it's normally so muddy. But we'll go and check it out. Check it out today and see if we can get anywhere close. But it's only a short walk to the end of the beach. You've got the Lunan Bay Arch and there's a cave down here as well. So again, we'll check them out. Right, here's a waterfall up here, folks. We'll try and get as close as we can. The path's actually not too bad today because the mud's quite hard because it's quite icy. Right, folks, we made it. We actually made it to the waterfall. As you can see, it's nothing special, but it's a waterfall and it counts on the chart. Tick. So there you go. It's only a 2-minute walk. We got here. Bit muddy at the end, but normally up here it's just impossible to get to. But today we've made it. Yes. So there in the distance, folks, that's the lime kilns at Bodden. One of our favourite spots. So looking over from Lunan Bay. Right, let's get into the cave. Only a small cave this, but it's got an in way and an out way. Look at this, folks. You see all the different colours in these caves. Spares! A lot of nooks and crannies. These are safe caves compared to the ones we did on Sunday, which gave us nosebleeds and phlegm and everything. This is just a normal beach cave. Look at that, folks. Beautiful. Back onto the beach. Oh, it's just so nice here today. Can't go over. Changing the weather again. Right, and around this way you've got the Lunan Arch. So the Lunan Arch is just there, folks. Usually can go round that side and come back through, but just a little bit too much water today. Right, you just got to watch you don't get stuck in there, folks, with the tide's coming in. I think the tide's actually going out. We're not actually too sure. I think it's going out now. But yeah, that's the arch in there. It's like a lunar landscape. All the sand's blowing. Jeez, right in the mouth. You see a lot of spray off the wall. Can you see that? Look. Got sand up my nose. Oh. So the forecast was for strong winds. I think they've arrived now, folks. It's a bit late, but they're here. It was meant to be like this morning. Jeez, I'm knackered fighting my way through those dunes. Whew. Yeah, this is definitely the storm force winds they said were going to come. Yeah, it's actually miles away from where I thought I was. Right, get back to the car and get rid of some of this sand.